All right. Over the weekend, Easy Ewede made a shocking revelation about her past. And a lot of Nigerians had this notion about that lady. She talks and she's blunt and she's honest. One thing I like about Easy is she's blunt and honest. She talked about her experience in Italy, and that's what they call them, Italy. Okay, so I'm not here to talk about this thing, but I'm here to tell you what is going on between Nigerians living in Nigeria and the Nigerian leaders. I don't know how to put this, but I'm trying to shed a light on what bad governments can do to a country and its people. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. Okay, take a look at this video. This part of video of Easy Ewede and waiting she talk, and we'll talk about it.
Hector, my dear, listen, my name is Izembe Ewede. I am not your regular. When I was trafficked, my age was changed, my name was changed. Many of you still carry your fake name. I changed to my original birth name and date of birth. I'm not your regular. My father cannot advise me as a woman, a young girl you watch trafficked. When I claimed asylum, did your parents know you were being trafficked? Yes, they did. Did they know what was going to happen? No, they didn't. It is a cultural thing. I believe in most family, their daughter must go abroad for huge part. As a daughter, an only girl, and a last born, that was how they showed their love. When my picking gold, she get money, trash. You can never send your child thousands of miles away. Abandonment. In a country you have never been as a parent, you send your child. It is disgusting. I know you cannot get it. You're not ready. But you must hear it. And there are a lot of victims who would love to hear it. And I'm here to say it. Anything you want me to say, refresh my memory. Promise, my friend, I always talk about Wehe Toibo. She refreshed my memory yesterday. I gave her a call. I say, I want to go Italy. I want to go video that place for the walk that time. She says, you did Chris. How you get mad and saying all that? She don't move out. Nobody even knows say she doing. Not me. You know how old she is? She's 43 and I'm 36. She was older than me by 5 to 6 years. She refreshed my memory. I forgot so many things. She said when you come that time, they say you don't do a shower. That was the mind I have. I've always been, go for it. Do you have to do it? Do it and do it good. If I went to school, I was good. Academically, I was all right. Did my parents believe in education like I said before? No. Listen, if you're a victim of human trafficking, I know what you've been through. Been there, done that. This is glove, but this not the condom where we did buy that time. About 200 to 200 pieces, 9 days inside pack of condom. If I go Italy again, I will buy it. I would love to show you guys. You need to see it. The condom where your children, they use teeth, they bust. Allah! Remove and put them for prick. Suck them. They put them for toto. Apecorino. Doggy. Now Italo they call apecorino. Your daughter go buy this. Sometimes 2 weeks, it don't finish. A week. Where your daughter take carry prick. I told my mom on the phone. I wear red because of my mother. I told her on the phone, I said, Mommy, now men with they sleep with. She said, oh, no talk her, no talk her, no talk her. She's here. No talk her for me. Why did they talk that kind of thing? She never discussed sex with me. She didn't want to hear it. But my dad did. I told him. He apologized. If this matter go far, he can be called in for questioning. You the Chris? I'm not your regular. I know you're not ready for this, but you're going to hear it. There are a lot of victims who this will comfort. I see ya. When I talk about putting cotton wool inside Toto to block blood as a teen, so you can have multiple prick inside your Toto. We went through a lot. The people you said they help you, but you're there abroad now.
So you've listened to it. So right, I want to shed more light on this part, because when Izzy was taken to Italy, when they carry Izzy go Italy, she was not kidnapped, she was not abducted. The parents of Izzy, we are aware that they come. Maybe even the parents self contact the person where they move them. You get? So now I'm trying to shed the light between the parents in Nigeria, some parents in Nigeria, the guys and the girls of this generation, who is cheaper. Because from what she said, you remember that video where Asha Khan, right? Asha Khan wanted to spoil a girl, take a girl on a trip, on a luxury this thing, and immediately the girl called the mom, and the mom approved without knowing who Asha Khan is. Even though we all know Asha Khan from the internet, from the social media, you can see from the call right there and then the girl's parents agreed, the girl's mom agreed immediately. All right, another person where we know, we all know about this lady, waiting be her name, Daniel. People initially, people were saying, oh, this girl agreed, mama approved. We all see videos of young Nigerian boys and young Nigerian girls. As I'm saying this, I'll be putting videos and pictures of our young people, that is getting married to Oyibo, that is older, very much older. This is what bad governments can do to its economy. This video Izzy made, it cuts deep and deep and deep into what the society is being molded into, because people now resort to money, anything money. Even when she said that, she told her mom over the phone that, see wetin we dey do here, the mom said no, it's just no talk am. The mom approved. Some parents know. Now I'm this is what people are doing. Koro no be say. Now how do you tell somebody that is living a whole month on 35,000 not to do hookup, a 35k job not to do another one is no job, no even day Nigeria job, no work, no day. Graduates plenty for streets, work no day. Now the young guys away there, our this all of them, they do this thing fraud. All of them are not doing fraud. Some people go do marry the Oyibo. He say clients where we they manage, you reach your turn, you go marry them. Now waiting the ring now, guys, you now go and welcome their person in the airport. You see a younger person, somebody of 25 is not getting married to somebody of 85. These are the effects of bad governments. These are the effects. We see our able-bodied guys abroad in diaspora getting married to people that are very, very much older just to get papers. There is nowhere in this country, in this universe, that you never see Niger. Even to the ends of the earth, Nigerians, Africans are the jabba to get a better living. Women, if women now, Niger babe, see opportunity to go now, as it is for Niger now, young person now, if you meet the person, say, see the job where they go to, they no mind to go, they do the OS job for Oyibo country because of the bad, say, it get as economy go bad rich, even the guys self, they do them. Even the women they do, but even the guys now, they do them. You can imagine what a young person went through. The parents are aware. Even when she told the mom over the phone, see you waiting with they do for here, the mom said, "Nee, leave them. They know. It's becoming a culture now that people are now relaxed to what the country is turning into. We saw before our eyes waiting happen to Owerri, waiting happen in Owerri. People, we are taking the things there. If they tell you, say this kind of thing will happen, you no go believe them. This is the effect of bad governments. This is here, forget that small it happen small individually, in the families, in their lives. It go worse. Anyway, Sha, I'm your girl Bella. Let's continue the conversation on the comment section, because this very topic, it cuts deeper. Parents, girls and boys, who are cheaper in our generation. It's your girl Bella. Peace out.